So in this video, we're going to show you how to use Printf. Again, since Java is developed from C++, so that's why when you search the reference of Printf online, you see a lot of documents from C++. Okay, technically it's the same thing that you can use. But in Java, we just have to put system.out in front of Printf. Now, let's look at in Java code, we have system.out of Printf. Hello, string, escape sequence in line, name, replacing it as an S, right? So there are two arguments. Like, you can have more than two arguments. This is 3. Because we want to replace these first character with the first %C. And the second characters, which is an ASCII number 65, capitalize A, replacing into the second %C. Okay, so now there are a lot of usage of %D. Like for example, this is decimals. If I want to represent decimal numbers or numbers, then we going to do %D. If I want to do LD, that means long. Like this is long number, right? Number that's a lot of digits, that's long. Now, if I want to do %10D, so that's going to append spaces in front for you. Okay. Now, for example, if I have a question asking you to put some spaces in front like that, and then print number, then you just pretty much just count how many, like this, 8, right? There are 8 spaces in front, and then 9 and 10, right? Including those two. So this is technically what it is. You put spaces in front plus the size of the contents. Like in this case, this can have the 4 digits, so you can have 6 spaces in front because the 1977 plus 4 and 3 10. So let's take a look. If I want to do %D in this program, so we're going to use printf to do the format. And number, let's just do percentage. 10D is going to put the number in, right? 10. Recompiling this and rerun it. See, it's going to have spaces in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including the numbers. That's how it works. So printf is more convenient than print if you need to do format to your output. Make sense? Like this can specify the float. Float mean decimal numbers. F. 4 mean same principle of %10, right? Including digits and spaces in front. And also you want only 2 decimal places afterward. Let's say I want to do %4.2f. Percentage 4.2f, and if I put in some number like 3.414141, so it should return just the first 2 decimal places. There you go, right? full one. Now let's see, we have 10 because I didn't do new line from the previous, right? So I need to just do /n here for the new line. It has to go into this. Alright, so that's how it works. Let's recompiling this. Now, you may see that we don't have spaces in front because I put 4. Including itself is already 4. 3 is 1, point is 2, 4 is 3, and 1 is 4. If you want spaces in front, you have to put it bigger than 4. Right? So, let's say insert and do 14. Recompile first. Now I add spaces in front because that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? Now we pretty much have an idea. So what I'm going to do, I want to just explain. If we need to test, we'll test. This one you can have like preceding 0, like 01977 as the output to format it, and some different radiuses. So let's see. Okay, so this is the. Remember we talked about the number-based system, right? So this could be decimal number, base 10. X is hexadecimal, base 16. And this is octa, base 8, right? It's pretty much, it should convert this for you in those formats. This is interesting. One, let's test that then. Alright, so we go to I already copied the code, so now go back and delete Prinf. Recompiling this. Here you go. So 100, right? In decimal is 100. In hexadecimal it's going to be 64. Maybe you still remember that. This is hexadecimal conversion, and in octa it's going to be 144. And if you want to put the symbols, normally we like to put symbols like hexadecimal. You can just put that prompt or hashtag, right? It's going to put OX, stand for hexadecimal, and O, the preceding O normally that's for octa. Then we can distinguish this hexadecimal, this is octa, and this is decimal. Like this one doesn't have the distinct, so we always thought it's decimal. That's why it's always like to do this format. Alright, so we talk about float. This is E for exponents. Like sometimes you don't want to do like when you have a lot of decimal after the decimal point. So we can do E, right? E to the power of, right? So let's test on that one. I'm going to create want to print here? Exponents, right? So let's test again. Exponents should be E, right? So percentage E, caps E, right? Caps E. Or percentage plus 0.0E. So let's see what's the difference here. Alright, so we're going to print two of them then. And percentage E. And this is in the code, and we pass in the values, right? The values. And the second one. So you may see when we do caps E, it's pretty much just going to output the number with the exponents at the end. Since it's only 3 points, then that's why exponents is to 0. Right? Now if I want to change the decimal places, so let's say we're going to put something like this. So now it's going to do the exponents for you. It's just move your decimal point and then put up to 10 to the 2 as well as this. It's just another way to represent. But when you do this, it's just not showing your decimal with the lowercase e, not showing your decimal values, right? Look at the output and the code. Percentage plus .0. Because .0 make it showing no decimal values, right? Because .0. Because 0 means nothing. But if I want to show some decimal values, I would have to edit this. Like .2, show 2 decimal places, right? Here you go. So it's going to do 3.14 because .2 and E to the 2. Now, how about this? Percentage asterisk D 510. This is like let's test that. In Java, it doesn't support we have an error, it doesn't support